Hello everyone, this is lesson number 79, HSK 4, and let's continue. Quickly repeat our words. 收拾 to put in order, to tidy. 小吃 snacks. 烤鸭 roast duck. 加油站 gas station. 高速公路 high speed way or highway. 干杯 to drink a toast or cheers. 航班 flight or flight number. Schedule flight. 推迟 to suspend, to defer, to delay something. 推迟 登记牌 boarding pass. 首都 capital 首都 长江 Yangtze River. 旅行 to travel or travel. 怪 quite rather the same as 挺 怪贵 挺贵啊 pretty expensive. 可怜 pitiful. 对面 opposite 对面 祝贺 congratulation or to congratulate 祝贺你 and first one for today is 合格 qualified or you can say also competent, right? Competent, acceptable for some job or for some rules. Or for some qualification, qualified. Let's see. His grades are qualified, so he can graduate. So his grade above some minimal mark, you can say. 他的成绩合格，可以毕业了。他的成绩 his grades 合格 qualified 可以 and he can 毕业 graduate and learn it's like change of situation, like before maybe he cannot, now he can. 他的成绩合格可以毕业了 I think also without lay is also possible. This product has been inspected and is qualified. 这个产品经过检查是合格的。这个产品 this product 产品经过 pass check, you can say 经过检查 or has been inspected. Pass check or pass inspections. 经过检查是 and now and is 合格的 qualified. So this product has been inspected and is qualified. 这个产品经过检查是合格的 Next one 民族 nationality or ethnicity. Min it's people, Zu it's nation, group, family, clan, community. China has 56 ethnicities. Ethnicities? Ethnicities. Right, ethnicities. 中国有56个民族。中国 China has 有56 5 10 6 so 56 56个民族 ethnicities. 中国有56个民族 so this is true information. She belongs to a minority nationality and comes from Yunnan. In Yunnan province, a lot of minority nationality. 她是少数民族，来自云南。她是 she is 少数 数 it's a number 少 it's a small so small number or rare number no but here is small number 少数民族 small minority few limited number 少数民族来自 come from 云南 it's come from Yun it's a cloud, Nan it's south, so Yunnan from the south. So she belongs to minority nationality and came from Yunnan. 她是少数民族，来自云南。云南。Next one, 打扮 to dress up, to make up. 打扮。let's see. She dressed up beautifully to attend the party. 她打扮的很漂亮，去参加派对。派对 is just party. 派对，just word for the English word. 打扮 appearance, makeup, toilet. Just appear or makeup, okay, or just dressed up. 她打扮打她打扮and they describe how 很漂亮 very beautiful beautifully, right? To go to 参加 attend 派对 party. So she dressed up beautifully to attend the party. 她打扮的很漂亮去参加派对。He spends a lot of time making himself up every day. 他每天花很多时间打扮自己。I don't know what means making himself up. Maybe it's in the word make it up to do something, become. Okay. 他每天 he every day 花 to spend 很多时间 a lot of time 打扮自己 to make up adorn himself dressing up grooming. Maybe it's maybe some boy. 他每天花很多时间打扮自己。Next one, 笑话 to laugh at or joke. 笑话，笑 is to laugh, 话 it's speech, so laugh speech it's a joke, right? Mostly used as a joke or laugh at verb. Verb also could be. Don't laugh at his mistakes. 别拿他的错误开笑话。Also 开玩笑，to joke also 开笑话 to joking。别拿 so don't take 别拿他的错误 don't take his mistake and 开笑话 and start to laugh or don't laugh at his mistakes. I think it's some construction. Let's see. 笑话joke. Okay, I think it's just construction. So okay, 别拿他的错误 errors or wrong mistakes 开笑话 and laugh at them. I think this one nice, interesting. You can say 别把他的错误。Okay. Next one, he told a very funny joke. 他讲了一个很好笑的笑话。他讲是is to tell to speak something. He told 他讲了一个好笑，funny so 笑 it's to laugh. We already know how it's good to laugh, so funny, hilarious, amused. 好笑的笑话。他讲了一个很好笑的笑话。Next one, tune to save or to deposit. Let's see. I deposit the money in the bank. So Chun has a lot of meanings, but here's just this one. 我把钱存进银行了。So 我把钱 so I took my money. 我把钱存 and 存进进 like shows inside of something. So to save in the something. 存进 and put it inside. You can say deposit into, right? Into add. 存进银行 it's a bank. Let's just show deposited, right? Past simple. Finished action. So I deposited the money in the bank. 我把钱存进银行了。我把钱存进银行了。This software can save a lot of photos. 这个软件可以存很多照片。这个软件 this software 软 it's a soft 件 it's like item or something. 软件 software 可以 can 存 save 很多照片 a lot of photos 照片。This software can save a lot of photos. 这个软件可以存很多照片。Next one, 钥匙 key. I can't find my car keys. 我找不到我的车钥匙了。我找不到。I search but I cannot find. 找不到。找得到 I can find, but 找不到 search and I cannot find. I cannot finish with that shows success finished. 我找不到我的车 my car's keys 车钥匙。I can't find my car keys. 我找不到我的车钥匙了。That just shows that maybe it's still an action, still not finished, like present perfect continuous. Please put the keys on the table. 请把钥匙放在桌子上。请 please 把钥匙 take a keys 放 and put it 在桌子上 on the table. Please put the keys on the table. 请把钥匙放在桌子上. So this 把 we already see quite a lot of times, right? Please take keys and put it on something. But we can say take can omitted in translation. Next one, 究竟 exactly after all. This one is a bit hard. 究竟 well, exactly, actually, anyway, precisely, and let's see. Are you exactly going on the trip or not? So when maybe this person a bit mad already. 你究竟去不去旅行？你究竟 in the end 去不去 go or not go 旅行 the trip on travel. So are you exactly in the end after all you going or not on the trip? 你究竟去不去旅行？究竟 Let's see another one. What's the deal with this matter after all? 这件事情究竟是怎么回事？这件事情 this thing, this matter 究竟 after all 是怎么 how to 回事 What's the deal with this matter? 怎么回事？What happened, right? What is happening? What is the matter? 这是怎么回事？这么一回事，都是从回事 works together with 怎么回事？你就是不告诉我，我也知道是 怎么回事 What's the matter? This one is what's the matter? What's happening? What's wrong? What's going on? What's the deal with this matter after all? 这件事情究竟是怎么回事？And let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 合格 qualified 合格 or finished some eligible competent for some job 合格 or some any other situation. 民族 nationality ethnicity 民族打扮 to dress up to make up. 笑话 to laugh at or joke 笑话存 to save to deposit. 钥匙 key. 究竟 exactly after all. Also 钥匙 could be only key. 究竟 after all exactly and so on. And we have one new idiom for today. 17. Last time we learned 饮水思源 to remember one's roots. When you drink water, think about its source. 饮水思源 Today's a new one. To overcome obstacles with perseverance. 愚公移山 Oh, interesting. From a story of an old man moving mountains, this idiom praises relentless determination. 愚 foolish referring to 愚公. So this one like foolish old man, a respectful title. Foolish old man, 移 move, 山 mountain symbolizing obstacles. So maybe he has no idea how to move, but because of determination. Like Hugo moving mountains, he persevered to complete the task. 他想愚公移山，坚持不懈的完成任务 finish a task, and then describe how does it finish. This one also idiom 坚持不懈 persist until complete, something like that. To finish after, to go out to finish, like to do something up to finish. Perseverance, just perseverance, tends to continue. Because 坚持 it's perseverance, and 不懈 is like without stop, without any, for example, to study hard and untired. 顾学不懈 to make unremitting efforts. 做不懈的努力 unremitting, so you cannot not stopping or slowing down, persistent in effort and attention. So 他想愚公移山，坚持不懈地完成任务。愚公移山 Last time we learned 积极 Today is a new one. The book loses, mouse is familiar. 书 book 书 to lose 鼠 mouse 鼠 familiar. So 书 Okay, and see you in the next one.